The month of Ramadan, I keep on saying, is a month of mercy, a month of rahmat. Rahma basically means, or mercy, how would we understand what is mercy? Mercy is tenderness, it's compassion, it's doing something that leads to others' benefit. The word Rahma comes from the root words Rahameen, and these are the same root words that are used for the womb of a mother, which means that it has intrinsically it has in it caring, nurturing, developing, looking after meaning to it. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used various variants of this word for himself. He has called himself Rahman, he has called himself Rahim, and they're all implying that he is full of rahmat, but in different degrees, in different categories. He is a source of blessing for those who believe and those who don't believe. He looks after everyone. He cares for everyone. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also explained or helped us to understand that how much He cares. He has explained that if there were 100 portions to His blessings, to His rahmat, He has kept 99 portions of it with Himself, and only one portion of rahmah is sent down on this earth. So all the love, all the care, all the tenderness, all the softness that we experience, not only as humans, but that we see also in different creatures of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the love that a mother has, be it animal or human, for her child, for her offspring, that is all out of the rahmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The love that we have for each other, the love that as parents we have for our kids, as kids we have for our parents, that's all out of the rahmah, the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that's all from the day the world was created till the end of the times. Every single act of kindness, tenderness would be out of that 1% that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent down onto this earth. 99% of it would come into play on Yawm al-Qiyamah. 99% of it will come into play on Yawm al-Qiyamah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is extremely Rahim. And out of He creates excuses for people, for them to clean themselves, to get themselves forgiven, to get themselves excused. He knows that people have been created weak. He knows that there is an unseen enemy who is attacking us at all times. He knows that there is a nafs within us which provokes us, which makes us slip. So He knows that all of these things would have an impact and would cause my creation to slip. And as such, to give them a way of getting excused from all the wrongs that that one can do, He has created this 1 month in which every single opportunity to get forgiveness is created, and every obstacle that holds one back is ceased. Their shayateen are chained, the doors of Jahannam are closed, the doors of Jannah are opened,